How to apply for a personal loan through Ally Bank online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need extra funds, well here is how to apply for a personal loan with Ally Bank on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the main menu you simply have to go to loans or personal loans and then click apply now to begin your application. And there you just have to enter loan details like how much you want to borrow, the purpose of the loan and your preferred repayment term. And once you are done with that, you simply have to fill in your personal information, including your income, employment, and contact details to verify the eligibility. And after that, you simply have to review the estimate rates, terms, and monthly payment option provided by Ally. And once everything looks good, simply agree to the disclosures and click Submit Application. And if approved, you'll get funding directly into your Ally account or linked bank account. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a personal loan through Ally Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.